thermometer in your brooder. Let your birds tell you what they need. Now for the heat lamp. Alright, it's in there. What we do is we hang it from the inside with wire. I think it's a 14 gauge piece of wire, and just wrapped around that screw. If they start to pile, they're looking pretty good right now. They're not piling too much. If they pile, I'll drop that light. That's why we do it that way. We don't keep thermometers in our brooders. We let the chicks tell us what they need. And they are starting to pile. So let me see what I can do here. I'm going to drop this light. Alright, I dropped it. Let's see if I can get a view of them. I think that's going to be better. They're going to spread out. They're starting to move out now. We'll come back and check on them in a little while and let them get adjusted. 'Cause right now they're in a bigger space, and as you know, Cotornics like to be close. So we're just going to leave these go. I'll come back down and check them later. This is called the halo effect. As you can see, they're all around the outside edge. As you saw in the first clip, they were all piled in the middle. I dropped the light. I dropped it a little bit too far, so now they're too hot. This is how you read your quail. I'm going to raise this light. We'll check them again in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, these guys are spread out evenly underneath this heat lamp. That's how you can tell that your quail are at the right temperature. They're not huddling. They're not trying to get out from underneath the heat. So you have your heat lamp just at the right height. So there again, you don't need to have a thermometer in your brooder. Let your birds tell you what they need.